Proudly 100% made in the USA. Every Unity hybrid carrier is built right here on American soil. We test thousands of materials to ensure the highest standards of durability and comfort. Because long-lasting performance starts with being made of 100% US-made materials. Every piece is modeled, prototyped, and dialed in to exact tolerances. No guesswork, no shortcuts, just precision engineering, from laser cutting to automated stitching. The process is built for flawless fit and function. And when the machines are done, we still inspect every piece by hand. Every tag, tab, and stitch reflects our relentless commitment to quality. This isn't just gear, it's the new standard. Built to outperform, built to last, and built in the USA.